Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the player version and preserving your settings. This prevents surprises. Once done, backup config files and playlists to external storage so you can restore preferences if needed. Make sure you close the media player and stop any helper services that might lock files. Connect to a stable internet source and download the official installer or update package. Doing these steps first reduces risk and speeds the installation, because the updater won't conflict with running processes. You run the installer with elevated permissions to avoid permission errors. When prompted, choose the option to preserve or migrate your profiles so your playlists and libraries remain intact. That's why backing up first matters. Follow on-screen prompts to install bundled codecs or plugins if the update adds support for new formats. During installation, monitor progress and respond to prompts about file replacements. Make sure to decline toolbars or extras. After installation, restart the system if the updater recommends it to finalize driver. You finish by opening the player and checking the About screen to confirm the new version. Then test playback across common file types and streaming sources to ensure codecs, subtitles, and audio output work as expected. If something fails, consult the player logs and error messages. Restore your backup configuration before retrying the installer to avoid compounding changes. One key troubleshooting tip: if playback is degraded, reinstall only the codecs or reset preferences rather than a full uninstall to preserve libraries and speed recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.